What's up, guys? So here's something I want to talk a little bit about. It's a little bit with cars and it's a little bit with motivation, and this is just my take. I personally believe you should not worry about gas mileage. I mean, and this is all from my perspective, I think that you should not care about gas mileage. Right now I'm driving a huge diesel pickup that gets, I don't know, maybe 10 miles to the gallon. So pretty shitty. It's on diesel, so it's more expensive. But I fucking love it. I really enjoy my pickup. And that's why I don't mind spending the money on the gas or on the diesel, because I really enjoy it. It makes me happy. I love mashing on it, and it, you know, the turbo spooling up, and it being a fun and exciting experience. So I don't think that you guys need to worry, that anybody really should worry about gas mileage. Like, and if you are worried about it, you know, from a financial position, and this is where the motivation comes in. From a financial position, yes, you know, you could save, you know, $100 a month or whatever. But if you're concerned about $100 a month, like, you should be more focused on earning $100 more. And, you know, so that you can afford to have this enjoyment and this excitement. I don't know, that's just my opinion. I think the excitement and the experience should be worth the shitty gas mileage. You know, if it works out that way. I mean, and this is all like to my specific experiences, but I don't know, you shouldn't go buy just a shitty little car that's no fun to drive if you're into cars. If you're not into cars, whatever, you buy whatever you want, but get a fucking Prius. But you know, if you're a car guy like me, you should buy a car that makes you excited and gets you excited. That gets you, if it doesn't get the best gas mileage, like, it doesn't affect the total, you know, valuation, or it doesn't affect the total amount that you're spending per month on your car that much. You know, and another thing with that is you shouldn't be chasing around cheap gas. I think that's like one of the dumbest things I've ever heard, is going around trying to find the place with the cheapest gas. You know, because you might save like 5 cents per station. You know, if you go to a different station that, and then you fill up with 10 gallons and you saved yourself 50 cents. But if you go buy, I don't know, anything else, like, who cares about 50 cents? I think that's super dumb. I'm going on a little bit of a rant or a tangent. I don't know, these are just my thoughts, and I hope you understand where I'm coming from with having the car worth the excitement. You know, if you're driving a big muscle car or whatever, and you love that, and you love just having the experience of it, but it gets kind of bad gas mileage, that shouldn't deter you from enjoying it and driving it and owning that. Because you should level that loss of maybe $100 a month in fuel should drive you to try to find other ways to make $100 a month so you can enjoy that. You don't want to have to start degrading the value of your entire, you know, everything that you do because you can't afford it. You should level up your game on everything else to be able to enjoy your car or your, you know, the lifestyle things that really do add value to your life. I just watched a Rob Spaghetti video where he talked about, you know, saving money on a bunch of different things, and how it's really easy to do that without downgrading the value of your life. Yes, I agree with all that, and that's totally good. Like, I totally agree with that. Just being smart with the way that you spend your money. And just because you can afford something doesn't mean that you should buy it, but you should, if it has the value, then you should spend your money on it. But, you know, if you do find the value in it by, you know, a car that maybe doesn't get the best gas mileage, but it adds value to your life and you're excited by it, you should use that as fuel to go and you know, earn $100 more a month, you know, by doing a couple other little things. So I don't know, this is just my thoughts on it. Take it with a grain of salt if you want, but down below in the comments, please let me know what you guys think, because I am curious to hear what you guys have to say. Alright, well, I will catch you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. I just hit 100,000, so thank you guys so much. I'm doing 100,000, or I did not hit 100,000. I just hit 10,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. I am making a video to celebrate that, just me goofing around a little bit in the snow. But thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it.